Well, dry weather today. Tomorrow we have small chances for rain, but I wouldn't get too excited about much rain coming down. It looks like very little sprinkle or light rain shower activity, but you might get a little moisture, a little shower or two tomorrow. Mostly though, it's going to be warm and humid again, back into the 80s. Humidity's kind of up. Clouds may thicken up a little more tomorrow afternoon as well, but a couple of sprinkles or showers are possible. So your day planner for the day on Thursday? Yeah, it's already Thursday tomorrow. 67 in the morning. 80 by midday, at noon, 85 by afternoon, with again a small shower chance, but we're talking very light, maybe a few hundredths or a tenth of an inch of rain in spots. Texas is pretty clear right now, not much going on out there. One weak front is in North Texas, but all the showers with that mainly way off to the east in Tennessee and headed through Kentucky and West Virginia. So that front will fall apart before it reaches here. And here's the way it looks on Future Track. We have one front which is weakening. It's moving to the south very slowly. Still maybe just enough of it left, though, to trigger a shower or two here tomorrow with the moisture increasing. So you see that front basically starts to fall apart by tomorrow afternoon. And again, Future Track shows maybe a couple of sprinkles or a shower nearby, but rainfall amounts look very, very light if anything does fall. By the time we get to Friday could have some early morning clouds and then a lot of sunshine. I think Friday could be maybe one of the warmest days left this week. Temperatures easily into the mid to upper 80s, might even cross the 90-degree mark in parts of western Hidalgo and Starr counties. The next front is stronger and still on track to get here by Saturday. You see by Saturday it's moving into North Texas. Cooler weather starts to move south behind the front. We could be warm here on Saturday. You notice by mid-afternoon the front's still north of the valley, so that gives it plenty of time to warm up. We could bust the 80-degree mark up into the mid to upper 80s. And then probably by evening, we're talking maybe the front coming through around sunset or so, maybe between 4 and 7 p.m. coming across the valley. And you might catch a little brief shower or sprinkle Saturday evening along or behind the front. But once again, rainfall amounts look very, very light. So I wouldn't count on much rain to fall either tomorrow or again on Saturday. But cooler weather, that's more on track to get here Saturday night and Sunday, as temperatures could drop down into maybe the 50s by early Sunday morning and only warm up to around 70 or so Sunday afternoon. As far as the small rain chance tomorrow, again, you look at Future Track, it shows very little rain. It's only forecasting a few hundredths of an inch of rain in spots, or maybe close to a tenth of an inch of rain at best. So again, we're not talking about much rain tomorrow. If you get a sprinkle or shower, it's looking very, very light overall. Rain chances 10% tomorrow, meaning probably 90% of the valley sees no rain. Dry on Friday and 20% chance of another sprinkle or light rain shower on Saturday late in the day or Saturday night. First 1570 forecast, it's warm tomorrow, back in the 80s, still around 89 on Friday, 88 on Saturday. And again, Saturday, if you have plans, the front probably will come through late afternoon or near sunset. So Saturday night could be much cooler. You see that low of 55 on Sunday morning. So it's possible if you're out maybe for a party or something on Saturday night, temperatures could be falling through the 60s, maybe closer to midnight or so. And then Sunday looks kind of on the cool side as well as Monday, and then it warms up briefly, but another cold front could be here near Thanksgiving. We'll track those changes in your first 1-5 forecast coming up on Channel 5 News at 5.